Jayblu, first time out in the store. What's up, boy? What's up? That's a big boy. It's Jayblu. It's a big boy right here. Sit. Come on. He don't want to do nothing in it. He like, hold up, where am I at? What is going on? It's where you get the food from, boss. It's where you get that food from. Jayblu, Tractor Supply. Big boy. Big boy. We're gonna grab some dog food for the bull. It's Jayblu. What's up, man? Bull gonna be the truth. Bull gonna be the truth. Jayblu off of Medusa. It's off Medusa right there. Mom Formatino, dad Black Brindle. This color is crazy. The reverse. It's the reverse. See the color. Produced here, Flavors Cane Corso. Still got pups available. Got a female that's this color. Female that's available this color. She ready to go.